Hi and welcome to Al's Record Room. I'd like to show you one of my 70s demo 45s that's in my record collection. Chicago, Another Rainy Day in New York City, 1976 on the Columbian label. Another record that's in Al's record collection that's a demo 45 from the 70s. Now here we have the other side of the demo 45 by Chicago, Another Rainy Day in New York City. Now here we have the 45 itself. Chicago, Another Rainy Day in New York City. From 1976. And here's the other side of the demo 45. Now, that was Chicago with Another Rainy Day in New York City on the Columbian label from 1976. Now, I'd like to say thank you for watching my video, and it's been made by me, Al, of course, and that's Al's Record Room. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Al's Record Room, and thank you to all the ones that have been watching my videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Al's Record Room for more future videos on records by Al. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Al's Record Room.